Speak up. Through the hood, I keep hearing people saying I'm supposed to die tonight. They can't destroy what they ain't built in the first place. So I'm finna ride tonight. I went from a truth seeker to truth speaker. Truth through the booth, your Bluetooth and your coupe speakers. Run up in here, I cut an ear, I'm 2 Peter. I bucket fear, I chuck a spear like Lou Peter. They love it here, I hate it here.
This is JD. Today I'm going to show you how to color your white walls. If you want to add some sauce to your rider, there's an easy way to do it that doesn't hurt your budget. This is also easier than fighting a brown wall system that happens in different tires, like the Milestars. You can do single color or multicolor. First, we're going to start off by taking the blue wall and cleaning it off. Soap and water. I'll give you wash this off with some soap and water. And this one we're doing purple. This one shake because it's kind of old. There we go. So it's starting to come out. Now this matches up pretty evenly. Kind of make sure that coat gets in there. Make sure the coat gets in there pretty thick. Now if you ever get a smudge or little runoff, just take a little paper towel and just wipe it off. Preferably you want to do this while the car is off the wheel so the gravity will help the paint go right to the tire. It should take about a half hour to do 4 tires. It's enough paint in this tube to cover about 8 tires. After you've gone around it, we'll clean up those overspills that went. And voila, ready to go on the road. You can always take this off, change colors if you want to, but we're good to go.
Turn your little boy into a princess, and they ain't even gave him a chance to be a prince yet. They sick agenda telling you to let him clip his member. He can't even pick his bedtime, but he could pick his gender. They say that I ain't woke, I say they ignorant. See, I remember how the pilgrims did the Indians. Remember, they ain't just attack them, they befriended them, gave them blankets full of diseases and ended them. Outrage, footage leaking every other week or two, so you don't see the blankets they sneaking you. They ain't gotta squeeze at you, they feminizing your males and leading you into a lifestyle that won't allow you to reproduce. One black life gone, they'll march in the street with you. They hand you a blanket to say abortion is free for you. How else you gonna get ex-slaves to agree with you? To kill theyself, say you giving them the freedom to. Bizzle, let's wake them up. I never came for the smoke. If you gotta go down the list,